Now please bear with me the noise of the generator, because we are living in a country where load shedding is a norm. So I have to prepare this video with the noise of the background noise, that of the generator. So please don't mind that. Bear with me. I'm showing you the pelvis of a 44 years old female. She has reported with severe pain, sudden pain. This is the left ovary, and we see that this is the transverse section, that of the left ovary, and this is the uterus, this is the endometrial canal, and this is the left ovary once again. And it is echogenic all over, measuring approximately 4.4 centimeter into 2.4 centimeter. It is echogenic throughout and is consistent with the dermoid cyst. As you can see, there is a fluid. A fluid layer can be seen posteriorly to this echogenic mass area, and these are the iliac vessels. So this is a left dermoid. Here are the iliac vessels. These are the iliac vessels. So there is a landmark for the identification of the ovary. There is no significant blood flow seen within this dermoid cyst, this one. And now I'm going to show you the uterus in transverse section. Here it comes. This is the uterus. The endometrial lining is thin, is in a very early proliferative stage. The myometrium is unremarkable. Now when I move the probe towards the right side, you will see another pathology, which is in fact a cystic area with multiple internal thick septa within it. See, this is a complete thick septa is seen within this cyst. And this ovarian cyst is that on the right side, measuring approximately 13.6 into 7.2 centimeter, with thick and thin septations within it. It has a volume. I calculated the volume, and it is about 700 ml. Moreover, if you concentrate, you will see there is debris within this. There is debris in this cyst. This is the case of mucinous cystadenoma, or you can see the debris here. This is the debris within this cyst. These are the septas. This is the septa. And this is the whole cyst. I want to show you the uterus. Now this is the uterus in longitudinal section. This is the uterus in longitudinal section. This is the endometrial canal. This is the urinary bladder. And once again, a review. A cyst, large cyst on the right, in the region of the right adnexa, with posterior wall enhancement, with lot of debris within, with septations on the right side, and on the left side there is the ovary, shows the dermoid cyst. This is the dermoid cyst. We can see fluid posterior to it. So this is our case of the day. Thank you very much.